Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I have the Emporia Tablet here, and together we're going to go ahead and look for updates for our apps. For that, you want to go to all apps and then go to the Play Store, and when you click on it you can go to your account here and then click on Manage Apps and Device, and here you see we have updates available, 15 updates pending. If we click on it we can see which apps are ready for an update. We can click on update all, or if you click on it we can update them here one by one, or update all again. We have 15 right now, so we're gonna go ahead and update to Google now. We click on update, then it goes here to the top and is pending, and then gets updated, and then we only have 14 updates left. It takes a little while, so we can just go back and use our tablet as normal, and then when the app is updated you can use the app just like normal again. Mostly it's something in the background, or maybe you have a new design, you will see it. So that's how you look for updates on your Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. Thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.